Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off your Samsung phone without using the touch screen. Now to do that, first of all, you will need the charging cable of your Samsung phone. Now just connect one end of your charging cable to your Samsung phone. Then connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. Just connect your smartphone to your PC or to your laptop. Now just press and hold the power button and the volume down button until the screen goes black. Then release the volume down button and press and hold the power button and the volume up button until you enter to the recovery mode. Now once you enter the recovery mode, just remove the charging cable from your smartphone. Now to navigate the screen, just press the volume up button or the volume down button. Just like that. Now just press the volume down button and select power off. Then to confirm this action, just press the power button. And once you do that, you will completely power off your Samsung phone. Now if you want to turn on your Samsung phone, just press and hold the power button. Once you press and hold the power button, you will go back to the recovery mode. Now in the recovery mode, just select Reboot System Now. As you can see, it is currently on Reboot System Now. Now just press the power button to confirm Reboot System Now. And once you do that, you will reboot your Samsung phone. And this is how you can turn off your Samsung phone without using the touch screen. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.